When people hear the word crypto, most think of Bitcoin. But did you know there are over 10,000 other cryptocurrencies out there? These are called altcoins, short for alternative coins. So why do they exist? Some altcoins are built to solve specific problems. For example, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, programs that run automatically on the blockchain. Ripple XRP focuses on fast, cheap global payments. Solana was designed to make blockchain transactions extremely fast and low cost using a unique technology called proof of history. Altcoins also fall into categories. Utility tokens give you access to a service or platform. Security tokens represent ownership, like digital stocks. Governance tokens let you vote on the future of a project. But here's the catch. Not every altcoin is useful. Many are just hype coins created to pump and dump. That's why research is key. Always check the project's whitepaper, its team, and whether it solves a real-world problem. So the next time someone says crypto is just Bitcoin, you'll know the truth. Bitcoin started it, but altcoins are shaping the future. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Innovative Economy.